Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a guild in Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes, so let's get right into it. First of all, Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes is a mobile game developed by EA where you create teams made up of heroes who are characters from the Star Wars universe and send them on missions to complete them and to fight enemies, which they have to defeat in order to complete the missions. Now, guilds are not very integral part. However, they are an important part because you have several pieces of content which are exclusive for only guilds. You can even partake in challenges as guild mates, which will then earn you more rewards and so on and so forth, as well as it is just a good way to socialize in general. Now, to actually create a guild, there are a few things that you need. First of all, you need to be level 8, or rather 22, pardon me. You need to be level 22 to be eligible to either join or create a guild. And once you are level 22, you will need 300,000 coins or credits in your account. As you can see in the top right, I currently have 101,000, and that wouldn't be enough. But if I had 3,000, I could then go into the guilds menu and select create a guild, pay the appropriate fee. And once I do, I would have been able to create a logo out of several presets, name the guild, and so on and so forth. Once you create a guild, you are automatically labeled the guild leader, and then you can invite your friends, invite other people, and so on and so forth. And in general, just have a good time with other people. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.